year. She is currently enrolled at Alamigan Elementary School. She is now in grade 1. Her ambition in life is to become a doctor someday. She believes in a saying that the best view comes after the hardest climb, and the best way to predict your future is to predict it. Once again, our Her Majesty Queen 2023 reception. A round of applause. Once again, our Her Majesty Queen 2023 Princess Star Concepcion.